This is the real deal, the real McCoy. We are on an actual subway station construction site, and this will also happen in the Philippines in a few months' time. Pumasyal kami nung staff ko sa Tokyo Metro Learning Institute.
Nakita mo?
Yun yung sabi mo sa akin, nakita ko. Ganun ba yung dadalhin mo sa...
Ganun ang dadalhin natin. Ganon. In fact, yung mga nakita mo ba yung mga simulator doon, ibibigay sa atin yung grant. So yung Railroad Institute na itatayo natin, kung anong nakita mo, yung mga simulations doon, ganun din ho ang pipit-bitin natin papunta sa Pilipinas.
Mock-up tunnel,
Yes.
mock-up railway.
Yes. Actually, I designed this tunnel.
You designed this. Very, very good design. So it's not only textbook, but they can also experience the mock-up.
Yes. This is very important.
Welcome to the subway. Let's go to Ginza line over there. And this is lost and found.
Yeah.
It could be a pet, it could be anything. They have a lost and found room, and a room also for the PWDs, or persons with disabilities.
See-through toilets. This is a training tool for architecture.
Oh, it's real. What you're looking at is a mock-up subway station, and this is the training facility here in Tokyo. So basically, this is what we hope to accomplish in the Philippines.
That's great.
Nasa isang train simulator po tayo dito sa Learning Center sa Tokyo. At subukan ko maging piloto, maging driver ng train. Si ambassador ng konduktor ko. It's like it's real. Mr. Ambassador, we're going to Makati. Okay, go back to your residence, okay? In Makati. Welcome to Quezon City train station. This is very possible in the Philippines. It will happen within the Duterte administration, sabi ni Secretary Togade. And the Japanese government is helping us. They are the ones spearheading the training and also the construction of the subway or the metro in the Philippines. The first one will be in Metro Manila. Nabanggit mo na from 77 kilometers of railway.
Katapusan, gusto natin kung mangyari dyan,
Oh.
matutumbok natin yung 1,900 kilometers.
1,900 kilometers. Napaka...
Yung Mindanao ho, 600. Yung sa Bicol ho, 600 yan, maumpisahan yan. Yung sa kapaligiran ng Tutuban, pag sumahin mo yan, aabot ka ng tinatarget namin mga 1,900.
So within our lifetime, at least magkakaroon tayo, matitikman, mararanasan natin na makasakay ng subway sa Quezon City.
Oo naman. Yun ho, hangarin ho ng Pangulo at bibigyan katuparan natin yung hangarin ng Pangulo.